Here's how to create this trending ghost effect. Step 1. Record 2 clips. Clip 1. Record a video of yourself napping. Clip 2. Record yourself slowly sitting up as if your soul has left your body. Import clip 1 into InShot. Tap PIP and import clip number 2. Press autofill to fit to screen. Adjust clip 2 so it starts a second later. Tap cutout to remove the background. Click edit and adjust the opacity of your cutout. And here it is, the start of your astral travel into the afterlife. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.